See what rims look good on a car. Most car owners usually want their car to look spiffy and sporty by replacing different parts of their car's interior and exterior. Aside from lights and striping, one of the most sought-after items by car owners are the tire rims. Changing the rims of a car provides the car with a new look. It is not an easy decision to make since the rims are expensive and the car owner will have to live with the replacement rims for a long time. It is not physically possible to try on different rims, so you have to resort to other methods to be able to find rims that will fit and look good on your car. Take a look at some tips below that may work for you. If you are computer savvy and have a graphics editing program installed on your computer, take a picture of your car on the side. Make sure that you get a good and clear picture. Upload the picture to your computer so you can edit it later. Look online for a selection of different rims that may fit and look good on your car. Download the images to your computer and edit them using your graphics editing program. Remove the background so you will be able to fit the images of the rims over the picture of your car. Open the image of your car in the graphics editing program that you are using and enlarge it to a size that fits your monitor. Import the rims that you have edited one by one and place one over one of your car's rims. Make a copy to place on the other rim. Save the file so you can have a better view of it later. Repeat this for all the rims that you have selected. Once you are done, you can either print out all the copies to aid you in your selection, or you can view all the images with your picture viewer and select the best before you print them out. Bring the best that you have selected with you when you go shopping for a new set of rims. Another way that you can do this is to go online and look for sites that sell rims online. Some of these sites have a tool where you can select the make, model and year of your car as well as make selections using their online tool. Once you have set all the preferences, you can submit your selection and you will be given a list and images of the best possible rims for your car. One site that you can try is Big Wheels. Input all your preferences so that you can get a good recommendation on what types and brands of rims are suitable and available for your car. You can also take a look at the website of Custom Wheel. It has a neat application where you can select the make, year and model of your car, then select rims by manufacturer, size, and finish. After you have made your selection, you will be able to see how the rims will look on a graphic representation of your car with the rims that you have selected. Car rims are manufactured using different types of materials. Choose the one that will provide the right aesthetics to your car. While aesthetics may be the final option to guide your choice, You also have to check the quality, dependability, and longevity of the product, as this is one high investment item that is meant to last for a long time.